Good morning, this is Quentin from Qualifio, and what we're going to see today is how to automatically push my participants in the Qualifio campaign directly through my list in Mailchimp, of course, only if they checked an opt-in. Okay, so basically what I want here, if I take that campaign here, up, and I fill this form and I check this opt-in, I want it to be directly added here in my list. Okay. So in order to do this, we are going to use Zapier, zapier.com. So if you're not familiar with it, I recommend you to have a quick check. Basically, it's a platform that allows you to connect different tools together. Okay. So what we want to create what they call a zap. So we are going to make a zap. And to connect Qualifio, we are going to use Qualifio Webbook. So we are going to type for Webbook by Zapier. And the one I'm going to say is to catch. So we want to catch each time that a webbook is sent based on an event, new participation in Qualifio. I save and continue. You continue. And here you receive very important a URL. This URL, you need to copy it and to send it to your customer success manager at Qualifio. It's based on this URL that we will be capable to generate a webbook for you. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to another app where my webbook is already configured. So here, you will see that it's exactly what we've done. Webbook, it's a catch. I received a URL, okay, and then we can test. We can test here. Let's test it, and you will see that I will receive the base here on a successful test, what we call a hook, and what we can see here are all information coming from the campaign. CRM first name, last name, we see some opt-ins here, teams, what's a team, it's football for example, etc, etc. So all this will be sent directly, and what we want to do is add this information to Mailchimp. But the first thing to do is to use a filter, because we only push to Mailchimp the participant that really checked the opt-in. Okay, so in my campaign, Premier League is back. In my form step, under opt-in, here, I see that I check the sport daily. Okay, the sport daily, I'm gonna recheck it because here up, if I go into settings, CRM variables, this is only for admins, newsletter sport, it's the variable, the custom var label 10 _ repeat. Okay, so we want to continue only if label here 10-bit, okay, equals 1, because if it's 1, it's checked. If it's not checked. So yes. So here we exclude everyone that didn't check the opt-in, and you see that in my case, for this specific participant, I will have gone. It means that the latest participant, he checked the opt-in. Okay. So now what we want to do, of course, is push this to Mailchimp. So we add a step, we click on Mailchimp, and what we want to do in Mailchimp is to add or update a subscriber. So I click on here, and I continue. Here you will need to connect your Mailchimp account with your user and password. It's already done on my side, but if you click on connect account, you see that you just need to identify. So I select this one, which is my Mailchimp here on the left. I save and continue. And then basically, I already have some fields here. You see that in my Mailchimp, I have first name, last name, gender, street, number, zip, city, country, birthday, phone number, football team. That's very important for my business, to be able to send different mails based on their favorite football teams, tags, etc. So my list here, it's called the master list. So I'm gonna select my master list. Then he asks me the subscriber email, but this email comes from the hook. Okay, it's here somewhere, so I can just type here in email, and here is the email I've selected. Double opt-in. Well, it depends of you if you use it yes or no. I will put no for this one. And you want to update an existing profile? Yes. But I see that I missed some field here that I have in Qualifio. So I'm just going to refresh the field here. And now I have all the different fields from Mailchimp. So let's go. Let's do it. The first name, it's the first name. The last name is the last name. We're going to do this once, of course. Gender, up. Tweet, it's address in Qualifio. This is my tweet. Number, it's number. It's number here, CRM number. Zip, it's zip. So we are just mapping here every information from the Qualifio form to Mailchimp. Okay, so this is very easy. Birthday, up, oops, this is mistake, birthday, boom. Phone number, I don't have it in my campaign. I don't ask the form in this specific Premier League campaign, so I can merge it, but I won't find it in my own. And then football team, up, football team, or is it? I'm gonna find here. It's the CRM label, it's a custom field, of course, Manchester United. I continue. So I have mapped everything, so let's try to send a test to Mailchimp. So a test subscriber was sent to Mailchimp just now. I don't know how long it takes. Boom, we're already 4. And what do I see here? Test Quentin, so is it correct? Let's find the email. It's quentin03@qualifio.com, quentin03@qualifio.com. This is my tweet number, and I have all needed information I have, including the favorite football club, for example. So now it's finished. I will just turn my Zap on, and it's done. Basically, it's done. If I go here and I do a new participation, okay, let's try. Yes, I need to copy the link first. Sorry. Up, this is still not good. This will be better. Up here. And I have my question, Southampton, and I'm gonna create a new person here, Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson at testqualifio.com. Michael is born 1st June 1960. I have no idea about it. Email, street, Rue de la Noix, number 5 in 1000 Brussels, Belgium. His favorite football team is Chelsea, and he wants to receive the latest sport news. If he doesn't check this, he won't be sent, And I send it now. Thanks, Michael. Campaign is over. We're going to wait a few seconds. I don't know, once again, how long it will take. And here, already, here is Michael Jackson with Chelsea. So it's as easy as it is. It takes a few minutes. If you need help, don't hesitate to contact our help desk. Don't forget, we need your URL in the beginning to generate a webhook for you. And then you're ready to go. Of course, it's your job to configure everything and to make sure that the double opt-in process is activated if needed. Well, enjoy your day, and hopefully we speak soon. Bye-bye.